So today we will make vegetable cutlets. Now this is also a very simple recipe. For this we require about I've taken 15 French beans, wash the French beans and string them well. Then I've taken about 1/4 cup of green peas. So green peas 1/4 cup, 1 carrot you'd require, 3 green chilies, 1 small beetroot, skin the beetroot, and 1 small beetroot, half a piece of ginger. Then we will require about 3 florets of cauliflower, half inch ginger, and also sweet potato. Now this is a big sweet potato, so I have halved it. If it's small, you can take the entire sweet potato. Now what we are going to do is we are going to chop all these vegetables in the chopper except the sweet potato. The sweet potato we will boil it separately and then mash it up and add it to the all other vegetables. And 3 green chilies, of course, you can adjust according to taste. Now the masalas, we've taken salt about half a teaspoon or 3/4 teaspoon. We've taken garam masala 3/4 teaspoon, and turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder, and chaat masala half a teaspoon each. Then the other ingredients that we require for this is we require poha. Now what we are going to do is 1/4 cup of poha. We are going to roast it very lightly on a low flame without any oil. Just roast it and then coarsely grind it. So that gives a bit of crunchiness to the cutlet. So we've taken the poha, then we've taken breadcrumbs. About 4 tablespoon breadcrumbs. They are for coating. For coating we'll require the breadcrumbs. Then we have taken arrowroot powder 2 teaspoons. You can substitute that with breadcrumbs inside the patty. Now we've also taken maida about 3 to 4 teaspoons, and we are going to make a batter of the maida, and of course lime juice. We've taken half a lime we are going to squeeze in, and a pinch of sugar, maybe half a teaspoon or 1
Now
teaspoon.
you can see I have chopped all the vegetables fine. I've put them in the chopper and I have boiled I have not added the sweet potato to this. I have boiled it and mashed it up separately. So now what I do is I take a pan and I will add a little bit, say about 2 teaspoons of oil here. We don't need a lot of oil. 2 teaspoons of oil, a pinch of asafoetida to this. Let the oil heat well. So I'm just adding a pinch of asafoetida to this. Okay, and after the oil heats, I will add all the chopped vegetables. Now of course, as you have seen, we've taken a lot of vegetables, but of course you can, if you don't have the beetroot, you can skip the beetroot. If you don't have the carrot, you can skip the carrot. If you don't have the cauliflower, you can skip that. So you can take all the vegetables of your choice. You can add sweet corn to this if you want. You can add mushrooms to it if you want. So that's all your choice. Now after having heated the oil, I will add all these vegetables to the oil and saute them lightly. I'll add all the vegetables to this oil and saute it lightly. I will also add all the masalas. I've taken garam masala about 3/4 teaspoon. I've taken coriander, cumin, turmeric, half a teaspoon of each. I've taken chaat masala half a teaspoon, and salt according to taste. So I will add all these masalas to this, cover it up and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes till the vegetables are tender. Okay, so now for about 3 to 4 minutes I let the vegetables cook. These vegetables will not take very long to cook because they are finely chopped. Now to these I will add the coriander leaves that I have chopped. I have also add the sugar, a little bit of sugar, about 3 teaspoons to 1 teaspoon, 3/4 of a teaspoon, sorry, 3/4 of a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'll just squeeze in half a lime juice. Okay, mix it up well, and now you allow this to cool. After it cools well, we will add the mashed sweet potato to this. So all these are done in the chopper. Because they are done in the chopper, I mean the cooking does not really take time. You just chop it up together and mix it well. Now while the vegetables are cooling, we will quickly make the batter. Now I have taken about 3 heaped teaspoons of maida. I just add a little bit of water to it. This is the batter. We are going to dip the cutlets into this batter and roll it in the breadcrumbs, and then you can either shallow fry or you can deep fry the cutlets. You can also do it in the air fryer. If you are doing it in the air fryer, then apply butter or oil lightly on both sides, and then you can grill it in the air fryer. So I just make a batter with maida and a little bit of water, and the batter is a little runny because I want to dip the cutlets into this batter and then roll them in breadcrumbs. So the vegetables are sufficiently cooled now. So what we do is I have mashed up the sweet potato. I boiled the sweet potato, I mashed it up. I will add the vegetable mix to this, mix up everything well and make cutlets of it. So I have mixed up all the vegetables. I will also add, remember we had roasted the poha, lightly roasted the poha and then ground it to a fine powder. Roasted without oil on a low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. So I will add the poha mix to this. I will add a little bit of arrowroot powder, 2 teaspoons. I will add this to it and I will mix it up well and make a dough, and then from this we will now shape the cutlets. We will now make the cutlets. You can give the cutlets the desired shape and make them of the desired size. If you want to have cocktail cutlets, serve them as cocktail snack, then you can make very small cutlets. There we have very small cutlets. So with a toothpick you can pick up the individual pieces, or if you want to serve them as a standalone snack, then you can make big cutlets. You can also give it the desired shape. So I have flattened the cutlet. You can make it in the shape of a heart, you can make it whatever shape you want to give. So it's very simple. Though you can take the vegetables of your choice and you can skip whatever vegetables you have, you don't have. Only make sure you take the potatoes and the sweet potato, because that is required, the potato and the sweet potato. All other vegetables you can take mushrooms or corn or the vegetables of your choice and skip what you don't have. So you can give different shapes, sizes, make it of different sizes and deep fry the cutlet. Then we've made the cutlets of different shapes and different sizes. You have the smaller cutlets, you have the round cutlets or the heart shaped cutlets. You can give it whatever shape, make it of whatever size you want. But it's very nutritious because you see so many vegetables going into it. So somebody who doesn't eat vegetables, this is a perfect snack for him. So all we need to do is deep fry the cutlets. So we will now shallow fry the cutlets. The oil is sufficiently hot on a medium flame. All you need to do is take the cutlet, dip it in the maida batter, and then lightly roll it in the breadcrumb. I'll dip it in the batter, I'll roll it in the breadcrumb and fry the cutlet. Yeah, take the cutlet, roll it in the maida batter, then coat it with the breadcrumbs and fry the cutlet. That's it. Very simple. Do not disturb it immediately. After a minute or two, lightly flip it. There, it's a nice golden brown on the other side. So flip all the cutlets, and since you're doing it in the chopper and it doesn't really, though the ingredients look more, these cutlets are very simple to make, they are nutritious and they don't require a lot of time. After a minute I'll flip it. There, they're almost done. So these are your vegetable cutlets. Drain them on absorbent paper. Now you can also deep fry these cutlets, or as I said, you can also make them in the air fryer. Very simple. Very simple and very easy, very quick also.